3, 2, 1, go.
And we're on match number 51 in autonomous as all the bots move off of the line. They gain 3 points for their alliance, 94-80, scoring 7 points by placing that coral high atop the reef as the blue alliance has done as well on their side. We got 2 seconds left in autonomous as it's 22-16 coming out of autonomous in favor of the red alliance. Right now, the human players have control of the bots. Their ROVs at the bottom of the sea are trying to rebuild the reef, picking up coral, placing it on the reef there, removing the algae, processing the algae for 6 points in the side of the field in the processor, scoring it in the net on top of the barge gets them 4 points for processing those green, blue, algae pods, those blue-green spherical objects out there on the field. That's the algae. If they can score them in the side processor, it's worth the 6. They can score them in the net on top of the barge in the middle of the field, it's worth 4 points apiece. That's 41-12. The Eagle bots with Shakashan have coral in their possession. They're trying to go high. They gain 5 points. It's 94-80 doing the same on the Red Alliance side of the field. It drops off into the trough for 2 points. 10-4-82. They're at the coral reef right now. They're dropping it in. It doesn't stay in the trough. It bounces off in the middle of the reef. If it stays there, it won't be worth any points, but if it falls in the trough, they'll get credit for 2. As 63-40 places coral, it touches the trough, it's worth 2 points. As 69-25 moves algae off the reef and tosses it across the ocean floor. 56-08, the Lassiter Robotics team with Corrosion. They've got coral in their possession, dropping it down on the low branch, worth 3 points right now at 63-40, places it in the middle, worth 4. It's 101 for the blue and 75 for the red as we're down to 32 seconds left to go in the match. 94-80 at the coral station, receiving that coral down the chute, placing it on the reef. In the middle position, that's worth 4 points as the Red Alliance moves closer to the Blue Alliance with 18 seconds left to go. We're in the end game now. It's 10-4-82. The BuzzBots Littlewood robot trying to pull themselves off of the ocean floor and ascend towards the surface. 63-40 ascending to the surface as well. That'll be worth 12 points if they both can do that. They cannot be touching any part of the ocean floor or be supported by any field element in order to gain those points. As it stands right now, if both alliances are successful in their ascension towards the surface, they'll be awarded a ranking point for gaining more than 14 points, 14 or more points in the barge zone. All right, here we go with the score in match number 51. By the fish that are swimming, the Blue Alliance are victorious in that match with a score of 119-116. That was close. The Blue Alliance had 90 coral points to the Red Alliance's 81. They were also the benefactor of a minor penalty, which helped propel them over the Red Alliance in that match.